Alrighty, so I'm inside the car, neutral. See if the car starts. It's spinning. Okay, so take 2 of trying to start this thing. Nope. Alrighty, so now we're testing to see if the car has gas. So we just finished changing the fuse box. So if it's not this, has to be the timing. Here's the keys. Ignition on. I got nothing. 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 So clutch in.
Really difficult 6 or 7 months. We lost 7 family members.
There you go. Okay, now we're gonna be taking out the pulley of the crankshaft to take out the cover so we could check the timing on this car. So let's get straight into it. Took out the pulley. Now we're taking this out and we're gonna check out the timing. Alright, so we just finished putting the whole timing. It took us about an hour to do. Now we're gonna put the battery and the booster and see if this thing starts. Hopefully it does. So we hooked up all the wiring and now we're about to see the moment of truth to see if this thing is going to start. I gotta remember to put the clutch in because I always forgot. Okay. Let's see. La llave. Ahí. Clutch in. Ignition on. Whoa. It's clicking. Alright, so it's getting dark, but we're gonna try this again. Ignition on. And alrighty, so I'm about to change the suspension of the parts car over there. Let's take a quick look at the suspension here. We got here, it looks like the tire hit here and started rubbing. The tire had to hit here for sure. The shock is completely bent, as you can see, starting from right here. Right there, the lower control arm is bent. This probably has a slight tweak right here, and the link completely broke off, like completely. So, but we don't need that where we're going, so that's all right. Other than that, that's it. We tried to take out, I forgot about this axle. I'm gonna have to take it out, but that's no problem. So let's get to taking out the suspension. So here is the shock. As you can see, it's completely, well, I don't know what you would like to call that, but this is also no good. This is also no good. It could be damage to the spindle. Not too sure of that, but yep, that's the damage. This is going back on the parts car. Well, not really back, but this one's going on the parts car. And yeah. Alright, so just got done doing the suspension on this car. Everything actually fit up nicely. I thought it was not gonna fit there with the low control arm, and I thought it wasn't gonna fit there, but it actually did, which is pretty surprising. We got the old suspension over there, but now I'm gonna be installing the spare tire. So I just took out the old airbag off the other car and I'm putting it on this car since this one obviously is blown. So let's get straight into replacing this. new one installed. I pulled this out with the jack and the piece of wood here, and took out the wiring a little and found some wires pinched here and here. So fixable, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do it. This might be the reason why I don't start. Hopefully it is. We quickly fixed the wiring. We put the battery on. Well, put the booster just in case. Okay. Alright, let's see if this thing will start. So we brought a mechanic over here and we checked a wire for the ignition coil, and there was no positive power sending to the ignition coil, so there was no spark the whole time. That was the whole issue. So let's see if it runs. It started. That means your timing is good. It works! No way. It's on, finally! Alrighty, so we're gonna see if this thing will start. 1. 2, if it will drive. Nothing. So take 2. Close the hood.
Remember, that got no brake. Huh? Yeah, huh?
So the car runs great. It says it's nice and warm. I mean, not warm, cold. Oh, it's working now. It's cold. It says it's really cold. It's on blue. So motor runs good. Nice. No, oh yeah. That's great. So let me turn it off. Anyways, it's still cold, so motor sound good. Alright, let's shut it off. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. We were able to get the car inside the shop. Another reason why we wanted to get the car running and driving. I'm actually pretty surprised that it actually started. It was chaos trying to get this car started, but we were able to conquer it. Not sure what the next video of this thing might be, or if we're going to continue fixing it or not. You'll just have to wait. Like, comment, subscribe comment. I want to know your thoughts. Make sure you subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace and God bless. I think I hit 5th grade real quick. Yeah, there you go.